Good morning, traders. It's E from MarketWizards.com and EMiniwizard.com. It's just after 9 o'clock on Wednesday, the 26th of June, 2019. Reminding traders to use risk capital you can afford to lose. All right, just a quick peek at the E-mini before the day begins, RTH. This is the overnight range. We had suggested to our traders keep an eye on yesterday's low. If that holds, then look for the bounce. The news came out obviously overnight while I was sleeping. Maybe you were too. The push. This is, I don't know, the umpteenth time we've had China news. So one of the things that you want to do when you get up is say, what's the opportunity? Cannot cry about what you've missed. You look for the opportunity. First thing I'm looking at is yesterday's middle, looking at the high as it was printed. And best thing to do is scan your charts and see what you think is the best trade. The normal trade for a day like today would be after yesterday's carnage, morning after trend day. The convenient trade. Because we cannot buy the low if we've already missed it. So we look for the reactionary comeback trade to come back into the 40, the 50, or the 60. That's the high odds trade. Our target was try to get to the 32s to 31s, and then good fortune below, trying to hit this 28. And I've suggested make sure paid with the idea that this third time through trade is the obvious support until broken, and then the gap opens up. If we get that, then obviously the test of yesterday's low. But the best trades long are already done, and in my opinion, the best trade short is already done. 15-minute Globex was what I had suggested to our roomies. Keep an eye on this. I think that's important. I also suggested that last night take a look at our 60-minute Globex. And you can see how this has played together with that 15. Supportive, resistance, and trading the range. This chart caught my eye, and well, let's start with this one first. The weekly, we know this 39 was a very important level. It was our red box level from last week. So we know already by definition that this 39, we said let's use 38, 39 as your target zone and 42 resistance. And then try to get back into that 28.5 and below good fortune. And that's the way I'm looking at this right now. Simple as that. Clear. You got to bust 23s. You got to bust the 40s. And range trade in between. This trade, looking at this chart, gave me a whole lot more confidence for the short side. And I said that to our traders, look at this 39.75. That's that top level on the monthly. So let's see if we can't take the convenient trade, at least get back into the middle. So this chart really helpful. And then take one more look over here at our predictive chart, and we can see that we're in the pipe. So we know that this level has held. We know that this is the primary fighting box. We know that this is our resistance box till we take out the high. So here's our resistance for now. Right on the border here. Wrong one. I'm not colorblind. Just made a mistake. This will be the fighting box with the longs trying to get out of here, shorts trying to defend. And then obviously this is the defensive box for the longs. And that's the way it looks. Angels and demons. 20 set up right here. There's a little double right at yesterday's low. Big idea right there. Middle 28.75 on the angels and demons, and 37.5 is our demon. So a little help from the news. You've got to work around news. We suggest sideline for news, and then when it starts to move back in, we say, yeah, we're going to right where we hope for. Goal of pre-market plays: get on the scoreboard. Your day is already half done, and then some. If you've taken the first trade, you're ready to go play golf. It's summertime. Go do it. New session is going to be starting next week. Anybody that's interested, come join us. We've got a tremendous group of traders that we've been working with. These guys are super savvy. Some of them have managed hedge funds in the billions, and they know what they're doing. It's an honor to be working with them. Those of you who want the fireworks special, that also includes the widget, and you'll find that on our shop page. Thanks for listening. Have yourself a great day.